Okay guys, welcome back to my vlog again. So in this video, I want to share my transportation and experience during my time in Nepal. Yeah, and then during my time here, I traveled almost everywhere by this bus, and then from the activities to vacation, which is where my primary mode of transportation. And this video, I will show you what. Yeah, this is like to travel by bus in Nepal as well as my trip to Kalincok and one of the famous tourist destination here. So let's begin the journey. So in Nepal, buses are one of the most common forms of transportation, and then they are affordable, easy to find, and can take you many places. And then for daily activities like leveling the house and moving around, or just saying usually check the bus, and sometimes the bus is crowded and sometimes is not, depending on time of the day and the route. And for the route is not always smooth, but this is part of the experience during the trip, and I get so to see the local life and small shop and homes and everyday activities. And then the riding bus brings me the closer to local life in Nepal. And then this is the simple but it's feel real and memorable. Okay, so the atmosphere inside the bus is unique, and we can hear people talking and then lounging. Yeah, and then sometimes there are the music playing, and then the bus may not be particularly modern, but the brings together many people with different destination on the single journey. So we share the same space and the time, and sometimes the journey takes longer due the traffic, and about that, they give us time to enjoy the scenery outside, and then the mountains, and then also the buildings, and the busy street are all part of the journey. And this is small moments like yeah this that make the journey feel and the more alive. So when I decided to vacation in Kalincok, I still choose to detect the bus. Yeah, and then the journey to Kalincok is quite long, and but the scenery is breathtaking, and then the long way we can see the mountains and then the hills and the air feels the pressure, and then the bus special truck wading an uphill roads, and then it just can be challenging at times, but also the exciting. And then the taking the bus to the Kalincak is not just about driving at your destination, but it's also about enjoying and the journey in Nepal. Okay, so the riding the bus as the primary mode of the transportation in Nepal took me patience and enjoyment. And the journey may not be fast, but they give us me time to look around and the reflection. And I learned to enjoy the simple things like yeah, the looking out the bus, the window, and then the bus was not just the mean of the transportation. It just was a part of my life experience in Nepal. Okay, so that is my transportation in the story well in Nepal. And from taking the bus every day to the vacation trip to Kalinchak. And then thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope you enjoyed this simple story and that it gives you a glimpse into the life and transportation in Nepal. And yeah, that's you in the next video. The last side. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.